I went to the store today and I bought some fidgets. I'm coming back from the store right now. So, sorry about that sound. The first fidget I got was this. It is really pretty. It's called a crystal Nido. And then my sister got a Nido. Let me light it. It lights up. It's really cool. And it's like a brick Nido. I've never seen it. So then I got a cup. My sister got a cupcake poppet. And 5 monkey noodles. Then I found slime lickers. And I got 2 of them. They are so good. And I got a fidget pad. I haven't opened it yet. I'm gonna. And yeah, that's all I got. My baby brother got a toy. It's not a fidget toy, no. So yeah, I can't stop looking at it. I'll show you my fidget pad and some ASMR videos next. Bye!